Hi everyone, today we're going to see how to find healthcare services within the Advancecare medical network. So first of all, you're going to want to search Rede Medica Advancecare on Google and click on this link. So this page will appear, and first of all you're going to want to search the type of services you're looking for. So here we'll take the example of an eye doctor, and then you're going to search for your location. So here we're going to take the example of Lisboa, and you click on search. So the results will appear like that. You can search by consultation, type of treatments, surgeries. So we'll go on the first link and search by consultations. So on the left you'll have the list of results, and on the right you'll have a map to locate yourself. And so for each result you get the name of the clinic or hospital as well as their address. And that's it. We hope we could help you. Thank you for watching.